now it's a free market that decides. But what you can do, you can actually go out there, stay pegged on the US dollar, you can go out there and you can start loaning out. And then let the market decide. Let the market decide the value based on that. So pretty much most of the major currencies in the world are pegged on the US dollar. And what is the US dollar pegged on? Nobel Prize winner, he says the piece of paper, green paper, has value because everyone thinks that it has value. So while people believe it has some sort of value, that's the only thing that's giving it value, is the value of what everyone perceives the value of the money is. But really it has nothing. So the Federal Reserve, Bank of England, got fiat currency. The Federal Reserve is pretty much a private organisation. So I go start a company and I do a contract with the government. I will print the paper for you on a promise that you pay me back that piece of paper plus interest. But how does the government pay me interest in the first place? I'll have to print the money to give it to them, to loan it to them so they can pay me the interest for the previous year. So it's an ongoing debt. The more money that's in the market, does that make sense? The more money that's in the market, the greater the debt of the government. But it's all pegged together. The whole world, you've got the whole world pegging on the US dollar, and the US dollar is pegging on nothing. So if the US dollar falls, you have a whole economical collapse, because everyone's based on that. Check it out, go on the internet, do your research, and you'll find that as well. The Bank of England, a lot of people think, what are you thinking, Michael? What? So the Bank of England as well, I did a bit of research on the internet, it's a public independent company. It used to be part of the government, it used to be controlled and managed, but now it's completely independent. It's public, it can be audited, you can see the accounts, all that stuff, but it's independent. And that's the world of fiat money. The more debt, the higher the tax the government needs to increase in order to pay for that debt. So they circulate the money, and then they somehow need to get the money back.